Cybercrime Police Unit of Goa, under the supervision of SP Crime Srinidhi Walson sir, has launched an operation called P Hunt, meaning pedophile hunt. So we have a system in which we get intelligence inputs about if someone is accessing, watching, transmitting or storing child pornographic contents. So several such inputs were received, based on which 7 raids were conducted at different places in the state, and of which one could be verified where one Gajendra, native of Ponda, was arrested, and on his checking his device, there were evidences found that pornographic content, especially child pornographic content, was found there. So we hope to continue this operation further, so that we are able to track people who watch such content where children are involved in explicit sexual act. Meaning, the effort here is that people who watch this content, they in turn are indirectly promoting such sexual exploitation to happen elsewhere. So by curbing on this, we are trying to make our children safe and to eradicate such content from online space.